Why does your scanner show the P0847 engine code? What does it mean? P0847 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch B circuit low. The P0847 engine code indicates the vehicle's powertrain or transmission control module detects an abnormally low voltage signal from the pressure sensor, suggesting an electrical fault or extremely low hydraulic pressure in the system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: low or dirty fluid, damaged wiring or corroded connectors, faulty ground voltage, internal transmission wear, poor electrical grounds. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Acura, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.